Many of the guys are passionate about being an iron worker. They enjoy working with steel.
We try to make it a family operation. You take care of your people and they'll take care of you. So we hope that creating a family here has been important to them.
I'm proud of Kim and the company and how strong it is. She's been in the industry for 40 years. And when we go visit people, our reputation over this long period of time with her, with the company and our product, that's what I'm most proud of. We're using the Cubitron 3. Some of the impressive things about it is how aggressive they are. I mean, not aggressive, but how they remove the material quickly, and there's hardly any noise compared to what we were using, the old style.
The 3M product cuts better on our big welds and stair stringers, so then in return we run more material because of it. We're probably getting 2/3 more ran before we have to change out tooling.
Quick, fast, production is even picked up. It's just tremendous. When I first tried it, I was like, hey, this is what we need, this is what we want, this is it.
The old disc we used to use would go down a little bit and you couldn't use them anymore. They're just wasn't any good. The Cubitrons go all the way to 0, essentially. I've gotten lots of feedback. Pretty taken aback by how much they loved them. It was amazing.
It's a great product, you know, that's for the first thing, it's a great product. If you're using something for 10, 15 years and then you try this and it's better, why wouldn't you throw down that and pick up this?
Definite for heavy cleaning and grinding. The pads, the rocks work excellent. At the end of the day, we can use less product. We get the results that we want, that we're looking for.
Costs are down, quality's up. Those are the things that we look for.
I am using the 3M Cubitron. It is great. One of the best that I have used. It will mow it down. If you ain't ever tried it, I recommend you to do it, and they'll love it.